It's our pleasure to introduce the professional grade True RMS 2000 amp AC DC plant meter, especially for solar PV system testing and high current industrial applications. This model featuring ultra large 6.5 clamp door, the maximum voltage DC voltage up to 2000 volts and AC voltage as 1500 volts. It also can measure the mixed signal DC plus AC, also with inrush current, VFT frequencies testing and others. This model equipped protection covers to avoid mistake by end users. It's also featuring NCV detection and also the bright flashlight. This model is built to meet the safety category as the Cat 3 1500 volts and Cat 4 1000 volts in an industrial designed double-colored housing case. The meter is packed in a hard carry case with complete accessory, test lead, MC4 probe, alligator clips, and thermal probe. HK888E is an essential tool for electricians, solar installers, and maintenance technicians working on the PV, power station, and high current industrial field. This is our 2000 amp AC DC plant meter HK888E. Thanks for your